20 facts you may not know about Ethiopia. In this video, we reveal 20 surprising facts about Ethiopia that will change the way you see this incredible country. From being the birthplace of coffee to its ancient civilizations, unique calendar system, and stunning landscapes like the Simien Mountains, Ethiopia is full of history, culture, and natural wonders that most people have never heard about. Sparkles whether you're passionate about African history, travel destinations, or just love discovering new cultures, this video packs fascinating insights that you won't find in your typical guidebook. Learn about Ethiopia's role as one of the oldest nations in the world, why it's called the Land of Origins, and some unbelievable traditions and inventions that started here. Ethiopia is one of the oldest nations in the world, with a history dating back thousands of years. It is widely believed to be the origin of humankind. Located in the Horn of Africa, Ethiopia is the most populous landlocked country in the world, with over 117 million people. Amharic is the official language of Ethiopia, but there are over 80 different languages spoken throughout the country. Ethiopia follows its own unique calendar, known as the Ethiopian calendar, which is about 7 to 8 years behind the Gregorian calendar used in most of the world. The country has a diverse landscape, including highlands, plateaus, and lowland areas. It is home to Africa's largest continuous mountain range, the Ethiopian Highlands. Ethiopia is known for its coffee, and coffee ceremonies are an important cultural tradition that symbolizes hospitality and community. Lalibela, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its rock-hewn churches, carved from solid rock in the 12th century. Ethiopia is the origin of the Blue Nile, one of the two main tributaries of the Nile River, which flows into Egypt. The Great Rift Valley runs through Ethiopia, and it is believed to be the location of the earliest humans, including the famous fossil Lucy. Ethiopia has its own alphabet, called Guizi, or Ethiopic, which is used in religious texts and manuscripts. Addis Ababa, the capital city, is the highest capital in Africa and serves as the headquarters for the African Union, EU, and many international organizations. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church is one of the oldest Christian denominations in the world and has a unique blend of ancient Judaic and Christian traditions. Ethiopia has a rich cultural heritage with diverse ethnic groups, each with its own traditions, languages, and customs. Injera, a sourdough flatbread made from teff flour, is a staple food in Ethiopian cuisine and is typically served with various stews and dishes. Ethiopia has a unique system of timekeeping, where the day starts at dawn, 6 a.m., and ends at dusk, 6 p.m., resulting in a 12-hour day. The Omo Valley in southern Ethiopia is known for its cultural diversity and is home to several indigenous tribes with distinct languages and traditions. Ethiopia is known for its long-distance runners and has produced many world-renowned athletes who have excelled in marathons and track events. The Simien Mountains National Park, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its dramatic landscapes, including deep valleys and jagged peaks. Ethiopia has made significant progress in improving access to education and healthcare in recent years, although challenges remain in rural and remote areas. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GERD, is Africa's largest hydroelectric power project, built on the Blue Nile River in Ethiopia. A symbol of national pride and regional ambition, the dam is designed to generate over 6,000 megawatts of electricity, doubling Ethiopia's power capacity and helping to drive economic growth, rural electrification, and industrialization. Ethiopia is one of the world's oldest and most fascinating countries, full of hidden wonders. In this video, we uncover 20 surprising facts about Ethiopia, from being the birthplace of coffee and home to ancient civilizations, to its unique calendar, breathtaking landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. Get ready to explore a side of Ethiopia that few people know. Ethiopia is a landlocked country in the Horn of Africa, known for its rich history as one of the world's oldest civilizations and the only African nation never colonized. With over 120 million people, it is Africa's second most populous country and features diverse cultures, languages, and landscapes, from highlands to deserts. Ethiopia is also the source of the Blue Nile and home to ancient landmarks like Lalibela's rock-hewn churches and the Aksumite ruins. Today, it plays a key role in regional politics and development, while facing challenges related to economic growth, climate, and internal conflicts. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.